Make a great choice today with the 2020 Fusion Hybrid. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.